Ever feel like your computer is moving at a snail's pace? You're not alone. But fear not, because in this video, I'll reveal game-changing tips to turbocharge your PC's speed, and the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius. Hi, welcome to my channel, The Techie Guy. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a sluggish computer, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make your PC faster and more efficient. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be enjoying a smoother computing experience. Step 1. Declutter your desktop. Having too many icons on your desktop can slow down your computer's performance. Each icon represents a file or shortcut, and the more your system has to load at startup, the slower it becomes. Create folders and organize your desktop to ensure a cleaner, more efficient system. Step 2. Optimize startup programs. Now, let's optimize your startup programs. Many applications automatically launch when you start your computer, contributing to longer boot times. Disabling unnecessary ones to ensure a faster startup without compromising essential functions. This simple adjustment can significantly improve your overall PC speed. You can disable the startup programs from the Startup tab in the Task Manager. Step 3. Disk cleanup and defragmentation. Regular disk cleanup and defragmentation are essential for maintaining optimal performance. Over time, your hard drive accumulates unnecessary files and becomes fragmented, leading to slower read and write speeds. To start this process, type disk cleanup, then select the drives. Don't worry, it will only clear the temporary files, cached web pages, and rejected items that end up in your system's recycle bin. Unless you remove those files, they add up over time and begin taking up a lot of space on your computer. And for optimizing and fragmenting your drives, search for defragment and optimize drives on the search bar of Windows, then select the drives to optimize. That's all. Now your PC will run much smoother. Step 4. Hardware upgrades. Finally, for a substantial boost in speed, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM lets your computer handle multiple tasks simultaneously while switching to a solid-state drive, significantly improving data access speeds. By implementing these strategies, you'll notice a remarkable difference in your PC's speed and responsiveness. Maintaining a fast computer is an ongoing process, so make these practices a regular part of your routine. Now that you have the tools to supercharge your PC, put them into action and let me know in the comments which method made the most significant impact on your computer's speed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.